Hello students, today we are going to discuss chapter 1 exercise 1.2 theory, that is place value and phase value. A place value system is one in which the position of a digit in a number determines its value. That is, in a number the position of the digits determines its value. That is, a number is formed by grouping the digits together. By grouping the digit, we can form a number. The following points you have to remember. Each digit has a fixed position called its place. Each digit in a number has a fixed position which is called its place. And each digit has a value depending on its place. That in that place the value are different. That is called its place value. Next, the phase value. The phase value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit itself. In any position the digit is placed, but the phase value always remains the same. For example, here a number written 56,789. In this number the position of 7, that is place, is hundreds place. 7 is in hundreds place, so the place value of 7 is 700, and the phase value of 7 is 7 itself. Similarly, 6, in 6 the place is thousands place. Place value is 6,000, and the phase value is 6. Similarly, 5, the place is 50,000, that is 10,000 place, and the place value is 50,000, and the phase value of 5 is 5. Okay, so written here, place value 7 is in 100 place, place value of 7 is 700, phase value of 7 is 7. Similarly, in 6 place is thousands place, thousands place, and place value of 6, place value of 6 equal to how much? 6,000, and the phase value equal to 6. Okay, so you have to remember. Look this number, find the place value and phase value of the of each digit in number 72,983. In this number, look, first 3 is in ones place. The place value, first I am telling the place. 3 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place, 9 is in hundred place, 2 is in thousands place, 7 is in 10,000 place. That is the place. Okay, next I am telling the place value. 3 is in ones place, so the place value is 3. 8 is in tens place, so the place value is 80. 9 is in hundred place, so the place value is 900. 2 place value is 2000, so the 2 place is thousands place, so its place value is 2000. And 7's place is 10,000 place, so it is 70,000. Okay, that is the place value. Phase value similar, that is 3's place phase value is 3, 8 place phase value is 8, 9's place value is phase value is 9, 2 phase value is 2, 7's place value also 2, 7 place value also 7. You have to remember. Okay, that is phase value does not change, but the place value change according to the position of this of the digit in a number. Okay, next we have to discuss another example so that you clearly understand. Next is that find the sum of the place value of the digit in the number 5,98,629. We have to find the sum of the place value of the digit marked digit. That is, look here, in this number the two digits are marked, that is 9 and another is 2. Now we have to find the place value of these two digits. Okay, then we have to add, then we have to find the sum of the place value. Okay, First place value of 9 is what? Already for 9 is which place? 9 is in 10,000s place. So 9 into 10,000s, or you can write after 9 every digit take 0, every digit, or after 9 all digits are 0. Okay, so place value is 90,000s. Place value 2, 2 is in tens place, so after 2 it is 0, that is 2 into 10. 2 into 10, that means 10. Why I multiply 10? Because 2 is in tens place, so 2 into 10, that is 20. Similarly, at last what we have to do, we add this to the place value, right? First place of 90,000 plus this is 20, so it is 90,020. Okay. Next example, next fact we have to remember one fact. Place value of place value, and remember, place value, face value are different in each digit, but the place value and face value of 0 always 0, because zero's face value is always 0, but 0 in any place, the place value of 0 does not mean that is same. Always remember, in short questions, objective type questions come, the place value and face value of 0 is always 0. Always you have to remember this fact. Okay. Next example, find the difference of the place value of 2 in 42,725. Here we have to find the difference of the place value of digit 2, okay, in the number 42,725. First, the place value of 2, that is here 2, first 2, look, first 2, that is from the left to right, that is first 2 value is what? 2000s. I already told, after 2 all digits are 0, or you can multiply 2 into 1000, that is because 2 is in thousands place, so 2 into 1000 how much? 2000s. Another 2 place is tens place, so is it 20? So 2000s minus 20, because the difference we have to find, we have to find difference. So first place value of 2 is 2000, and next 2's place value is 20, so 2000 minus 20, that is 1980. Okay. Now next examples, find the difference between the place value and the face value of 9 in the number 6,29,825. First we have to find the place value. Here the question is, find the difference between the place value and face value of the digit 9, special the digit 9 here. Here you can tell the 9 is in which place? 9 is which place? 9 is in thousands place, so its place value is 9,000, and the face value of 9 is same 9, so we can find the difference, 9,000 minus 9, that is 8,991. Okay. Similarly, in exercise 1.2, in each number we have to find the place value and face value, so you have to complete the exercise 1.2. Thank you.